My beautiful and amazing people, hey, it don't finally happen. Oh. Nollywood actress Angela Okorie is nowhere to be found. Guess what? The story go longi because according to report and rumor right now, that Mercy Johnson na im send for the arrest of Angela Okorie. Make una draw una chair come closer make una come hear wetin dey sup on top of this matter when I carry come for una like this. Before I go enter into the main cocoa of the cocoline, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use Gonete beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we will drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small matter o. Hey, no be small drama upon drama. Una remember wetin burst between Angela Okorie and Mercy Johnson over the years, wey be say na every Eke market day na Angela Okorie dey come dey drag Mercy Johnson for this Obasanjo cyberspace. Like, she literally said a lot about Mercy Johnson, how Mercy Johnson take the suck blood of people, how she take dey use people, dey do this, dey do that. Like, she said a lot, like defamatory statements just dey fly up and down. Now, Mercy Johnson never said anything because no be today now Mercy Johnson start dey let go of all these things. But you see this 2026, Mercy Johnson no gree at all. Now, e come be say Regina Daniel come put mouth for inside their matter during that time wey Angela Okorie come drag Mercy Johnson over weight loss matter. Say, Mercy Johnson, he lost weight, he know where, he don't forgive Mercy Johnson. Everything wey Mercy Johnson don't do her, she don't forgive her. This one, that one. Now Regina come provoke, come and say, with all due respect, ma, don't forgive. Say you are mad. Now Angela Okorie come provoke, follow Regina Daniel. Say she be small pikin, she dey knack old man, we get smell. We get this, we get that. Like, she said a lot during that time. Now, Regina Daniel too come tell Angela Okorie say, Angela Okorie be this, she be that. Like, they give themselves back to back. Say Angela Okorie, they go behind her back, won't go knack Ipa and all. Angela Okorie too come out, come talk say nothing, no. Ipa carry 500,000 give her na because of her film. Regina come later tell Ipa make he delete him number. This one, that one. Like, they drag themselves like condom goat meat that time enter house. At the end of the day, they come hold Angela Okorie, carry her go police station. Maybe for that police station, they told Angela, say, make she come apologize to Mercy Johnson and Regina Daniel husband because she said a lot of things about Ned Nwoko. And una know Ned Nwoko with arrest. So as she say, he get smell, he get this, he get that, nothing concern her with older men. Like, she insulted him. Now they say make she come apologize to Ned Nwoko and also apologize to Mercy Johnson. She came out true and apologized. So according to Insider now, Cutie Juice and Stanley on Top and other Nollywood actress then say na Mercy Johnson na in order for her arrest. And guess what? This time around, no be to just come arrest her for her Lagos mansion. They arrest her like yesterday evening. Before you know, they carry her from Lagos, enter Abuja, come carry her, go court direct. From court, now they go detain her for Suleja Kirikiri. Omo, where you go know say power pass power. Say they carry her straight from Lagos, enter Abuja. She no even breathe finish. They carry her enter court that yesterday night. Before you know, I've been at this morning. Before you know, so they take detain her. They detain her now. Go put her for Suleja. They remind her for Suleja Kirikiri. Now, according to report coming from Cutie Juice, say when they tell Angela Okorie say make she come apologize to Mercy Johnson, they also tell her they stand for her she have shorty wey stand for her, come tell her say she go return back so day so time, so that they go finalize the case before they go carry the matter enter court. Say make dem know whether Mercy Johnson don forgive her for that apology and all. Na im dey say Angela Okorie, she no gree come back. Sotey dey say police call her for where Angela no gree go back. According to the information coming from Guilty Juice and Stanley on Top, say as they call her, they no gree. She no gree go back there. And the law of arrest matter, if they arrest you, they can't give you dates, make you return. Say they won't carry the matter, go court and all. You need to dey come, dey assemble yourself. But Angela refused to come. I make them go carry her for her Lagos mansion as at yesterday night. My people, this 2026, nobody won't gree at all. Oh. Now everybody don't dey beg Mercy Johnson. They don't dey beg her here and there. Because Mercy Johnson also stated it that in her last video, she said because she leave Edet, that blogger, no mean say she don't leave her case. So say she don't keep money aside 2026 to take do back and forth for police matter, and that she's not going to follow it the other way. She go follow am in the legal way where they go follow am on a normal time. My people, this matter when I dey tell una like this, so e don pass be careful. E don comot from wetin we think say e be, enter wetin we no know. Omo, na only God now na him go set Angela Okorie free, because Mercy Johnson don already provocate, because she said so many mean things about Mercy Johnson. Because according to Mercy Johnson last video, if una observe, she said it that wetin her ear never hear, wetin they never talk. So they don't let her children no dey mingle with other children, say because she be witchy. They don't, if their children go touch other children lunchbox, they go say, hey, they go cast and bind the children. So many things where all this their talk don't cause for her life. So as such, she's going to take it the normal way where they go take her. Now they don't start again, they beg Mercy Johnson. No way where they never call Mercy Johnson. Everybody don't they beg. Say I beg. Now, you know, say to say now police, they go say free Angela Okorie, it is unjustful. Then you are not supposed to do this, you are not supposed to do that. Now they say no be police, so they carry her, police carry her, they go court direct. They sentence her, as in they remind her for kiri for defamation, or make she bring evidence of all the things wey she don talk say Mercy Johnson be. If she no fit provide evidence, omo otilo. Normally spiritual things and things no dey get evidence now. Spiritual things and things no dey get evidence. So how Angela won't take provide evidence, and I be say omo this matter go long o. This journey is just about to get started. God abeg, hey, how we wan take set our legit queen free now? Because omo Mercy Johnson dey provoke this time around o. She dey provoke. That means that apology wey Angela Okorie come do, e no enter Mercy Johnson at all. She no buy am at all. At least you suppose still come. People wey shorty you, wey stand for you, say make you come, you no gree go. No, normally Angela F up for this one. Make we tell ourselves the truth. No matter how e pain reach, we suppose tell ourselves the truth. Angela suppose go back. Maybe they go meet with Mercy Johnson face to face, then they go apologize, beg on her behalf. And she go also beg Mercy Johnson. No be everything be online. No be everything be online. Abi, what you guys think? Now wow. This 2026, it go long go, because we are just in January and so many things don't happen put together. Make una come, make we interact, or make una drop on our opinion. What do you guys think? Do you think Mercy Johnson is being mean right now, or Angela deserve wetin she dey get from Mercy Johnson? Do well to drop your comment on the comment section and give the video a massive thumbs up. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.